Kumusta ka po?
Wala, sir.
Okay lang?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you for coming and thank you for being cooperative, especially sa nangyayari ngayon na hindi natin inaasahan na magkakagulo. Hindi naman magulo in the sense na kasi magulo. Kumbaga ano lang, naging viral lang siya kasi eh. And one of the issues is the visit of RD sa lugar ninyo. We need to clarify also once and for all. Kasi this is the best time to settle issues because we have with us this morning our partners from different media outlets, and these people can help us disseminate to the field, and at the same time they could help us to settle the issue once and for all. Okay? Sige. This has something to do, like I said before, with regard to the previous visit of RT. And a certain individual posted online na hindi siguro publicly naging viral because nakaka-ano siya ng attention sa lahat-lahat ng may social media accounts na may access din. So, in behalf of the division office, we did it necessary that the best people who could give us the best answer or who could shed light to the issue is the people from the field. Hindi po si division office. This is not a way of hugas kamay ng mga taga-division office. We are more than willing to answer issues, but we did it proper and necessary that you, our colleagues coming from Kapol, ang pinaka-the best people na magbigay linaw sa mga nangyayari. Okay? So, ngayon, ito-turn over ko ang microphone sa ating media partners and anybody can answer the questions. Okay? Of course, headed by your district head, si Ma'am Marsol. Okay? Huwag po kayong mag-alala and do not hesitate to answer or to raise your concerns. Provided na ang lahat natin sasabihin must be true at wala nang iba pa kundi ang katotohanan lamang. Okay? Thank you and good morning.
Good morning po, mga officers. Ako po pala si Danny. Again, good morning po. Hindi ko pala napito dito. Again, good morning. Ako po pala si Danny Tunog Balarin from the Radyo Pilipinas and also the member of the contributor of the Northern Summer News Information Online kung saan po doon po nag-viral yung post of a certain Martires Adria. And I'm also contributor of Eastern Visayas Media Without Borders. The immediate concern, bago po siguro sagutin ng ating mga taga-Kapol headed by the district officer of Kapol, nais ko po munang basahin yung post. And ito po yung post ni Miss Martires, certain Martires Adria. Ano ba ang nangyayari sa DepEd Northern Samar? Sobra ka-deprived ang mga empleyado sa travel claims. Pero pag nagbisita sa field ang mga taga-DO o Division Office ng taga-RO Regional Office, permitin papaaramot ang mga school heads para sa foods and accommodation. Kahapon sa Namisaris District, paaramot ang mga school heads para sa foods and accommodation sa mga taga-regional office visitors tag 1K kada school head. Nga nadiri la ini na hinabo once. Nangyari po ini sa tanan na district, lalo na sa Kapol nga recently la gibisita sa nakasando nga RT. Rampan po ang ramot ka-erosan wara din si Sweldo. Shout out RT Evelyn, RP Talvero, SD Gaudencio Alhebi Jr. Ma'am answers. Itong post na po na nag-viral, mangyari lamang po kung ano po ang magiging site po ninyo in behalf of the Kapol District po. Kung gaano ho ba ito katotoo. Meron ho bang nangyaring mandatory or voluntary na tago 1K? na Aramon.
Okay, good morning everyone. Mahanap nalong para sa mga taga-Kapol. Actually, wala po nahitabo nga aramot sa Kapol Districts and recently nga pag-visit sa among regional director nga ang iya mga kaupo na among superintendent or ang party. So, waray nahitabo ito nga aramot sa mga school leads o mga teachers. Dahil may ada kami mga donors, mga voluntary na generous people, couple, stakeholders, nag-support sila sa amin. So itong allegation nga nagparamot ang mga teachers or scholars or what, di ito tama. Diyan ako mga school heads, ito nila.
Pero ma'am, totoo ba na bumisita doon si
Na
Mark?
Opo.
Nakasando.
Hindi naman to po sando, parang sleeveless na blouse. Ano naman kasi, galing siya sa isla. Kasi may show naman siya. Tapos, maganda naman ang ano, hindi naman ang asin sando na pambahay. Ano, kasi siguro mainit. Sabi nga niya sa amin, pagdating niya, sobrang init. Kaya, pasensya na kayo, nakaganito lang ako. Kasi, may ano sila na sana mag-beach sila, maliligo sa pink beach. Galing kasi sila sa San Vicente that time before coming to our place, Kapol. So yun, wala na sila siya time mag-beach or whatever. Kasi yun ang, ano nila, maliligo sana sila. So hindi pa naman yan, liwat ang time na mag-monitor siya sa mga schools. Kaya schedule is 11, not 10. On the time na nag-arrive sila, arrival pa lang talaga yun. Kaya alas 5 na liwat, paano na liwat kung sa office hour, paano na liwat? Oo, pwede na siya mag-ano, siguro ini.
Civilian.
Oo, civilian, kahit off sa office hours naman, dumating sila past 5 na. Sa Kapol, galing sila sa Vicente. So yun, yeah, inano namin, tinapos sila sa bye-bye, di ba dito, binikuha namin siya, then welcome, with disclaimer and all the teachers and students of Landusan. Ito kasi sila dumaong yung motorboat na sinakyan nila. So, di na naman, ma-open man ang kan-RD ko, appearance, di naman ang tumakuan. So, it was ano naman talaga. So, nainitan lang siya, sleeveless lang talaga na blouse, hindi naman maasin sa kasi ano talaga, tapos may shawl pa naman siya. Ganun. So, napaka-ano naman talaga yung pagka-describe, sorry po RD. Ay, ganun ang pagka-describe. Pero, napaka-ano naman pala ang appearance ni RD. Hindi naman ano.
Any school heads or teachers na pwede rin magkapagtotoo na wala talagang contribution na naging mandatory na kayo ay mag-aambag o it's a voluntary or it's coming from the sponsors or stakeholders in Kapol?
Sir, good morning. Ako po yung school head ng Kapol Agro-Industrial High School. Totoo po yun na walang amount na kinulek sa amin. Kasi sabi ko nga, ba't kami magkukulek? Yung hotel na tinuluyan ni SDS at saka ni RD, hotel po yun. Lang bayan po yun. Nalilipay lang po kami, nga nagkanto sila, kay bihira po nga ang regional director pasyadahon ang sa mga isla, Labinaan, Kapol. Last po siya ang municipality. So grabe po ang among lipay. Ang akong asawa, grabe ang lipay. Siya nag-sponsor liwat siya sa dinner ni RD. Kaya nalilipay masyado na akong asawa nga adto ang RD namon sa DepEd.
Good morning po, Joey and Gavemor po ng sige, go ahead. Go ahead.
So I would like to respond to the issue of that particular person. On his travel claims, no? We in Kapol District do not have that issue. Personal po niya na issue yan. Because all the school heads of Kapol District know very well the policy of DepEd as to the travel claims of school heads. And together with all the school heads here, we totally deny all his allegations posted in social media. We totally deny that we have not collected any contribution for the visit of our regional director, because we have a very supportive stakeholders in Kapil District. We have the local government unit and other stakeholders, private, in Kapil. Because sabi ko nga ni Sir Ryan, we are overwhelmed to the visit of RD. Kasi bibihira lang po ito. No? So, lahat po ng allegation ng ni Martires Dreo na yan is all but not true. All false, totally. Thanks, sir.
And good morning po, Joy Amor po ng 106.1 Radyo Pilipinas. Sir, may tanong ko lang kasi sinasabi nyo, tumatak po sa sinasabi nyo na siya na yan, parang kilala mo at nagtatrabaho. I'm very sorry na mapaglaro yung aking isip, pero sinasabi ko na parang siya, you point a person na kilala mo siya. Sino po siya para malaman na natin?
In all honesty, we have identified that person as Mr. Andrew Martires, our senior bookkeeper of Kapil District.
Taga Kapil.
He's from Lavisares, but only assigned in detail in Kapil.
May mga narinig ba kayo? Bakit nagawa niyang mag-post sa Facebook ng ganito para siraan ang buong organisasyon?
Sir, I'm not pretty sure. Because personally, I know that Mr. Andrew Martires now has that pending case, an administrative case in the division office. And I don't know the status of that particular case now. So, I don't want to assume that he has the grudges with the DepEd family now.
Hindi po pa from school kids pa rin po sa iba naman po. Kung hindi lang po ito sinasabi niya doon sa kanyang post sa Facebook na hindi lamang po ito nangyari bagkus noon pa nangyayari na po ito. Ini po from the school kids po. Opo, hindi lang daw itong unang business na nangyari na magpa-contribute ng Takwa 1K. Bagkus noon pa, ginagawa na po ito sa ating mga school kids.
Hindi po sir. Totally po, wala pong contributions pag meron kami mga visitors from regional or division personnel.
Maraming salamat po.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sir Dave. This is my first time I think to attend. My name is Amir Ortego. My name is Amir Ortego of Voice Radio, Katarman. Pero bisan ko noon Ortego taga-Kapol, kaya ako nagipag-giba ka kaya para magkinapol. But it's nice to see you, my Pedro Capolinios by surname. Anyway, ang pakinggan ko lang, aside from the administrative case filed against that particular person who caused this viral post, what could be his, but her FB identity is her, kay Martires Dreo siya but you're not saying Martires Dreo. So, he has some sort of dual personalities. So, aside from this administrative charge, what could be his or her possible deep wound or cause why he made this kind of very intriguing allegations and posts against not only to SDS, but also to the regional director, putting or pinning down your district.
To respond to your question, sir, I cannot give you the exact reason as to why. But personally, in this kind of circumstances, kapag ang isang trabahador ng gobyerno, lalo na sa DepEd, is gumagawa ng ganito, you can be considered as you have that unhealthy mind. Ano? Kasi kung maganda ang pag-iisip mo, hindi mo ginaganito, hindi mo sinasalaula ang departamento na kung saan ka nagtatrabaho. Now, if you are doing this, we can conclude that you don't have that healthy mind now. No? And I think he is not already happy in working with the Fed.
Does it follow that he does not have a clear channel with the grievance committee of the division office to probably bring forth his or her possible allegations so that the issue will not crop up much bigger to cause some sort of social intrigue?
I can say, sir, yes, because this Martires Dreo is not following the proper channel. As a government worker, you should know the channeling. When you have your grievance, you can go to a particular office and then follow the process, the steps in bringing your queries.
Or he might only be the one who has the courage to declare so.
He has probably the courage, but his how do you call this? His allegations are not proper. Not proper because, as we have said, his allegations is totally not true.
Okay, so ma'am, kanina nagbaton ka as if you are trembling. What's that tremor in your reaction mean? Masaya ka ba? Are you agitated or angry or what? Ikaw?
Yun na talagang boses ko medyo kinakabahan kasi ako sanay sa ganito. I'm just siguro stress. Kasi managing industry, anong nangyayari.
So ngayon ma'am, naiiyak ko kayo. Nakakaiyak ba itong intriga ngayon na nadama yung Davao District? Na sabi niyo pa nga napaka-peaceful, orderly, and all of you are very cooperative, no?
Yes.
Sige po ma'am, I feel you ma'am.
Sir, pahabol lang. Namit nga na po itong si kasi sabi nga ito nagtatrabaho mismo sa inyo sa Kapol. Namit nyo na at naitanong yung babae.
Pakiulit po.
Sir, ito pong si Martires, namit nyo na po ba at nakausap nyo po ba at tinanong nyo kung bakit siya nakagawa ng ganito pagpo sa Facebook?
With the recent issue that he has now, we have not yet met Mr. Andre Martires. As to the recent issue that he brought to the media now.
But you know him personally?
Yes, sir.
Thank you po.
Don't you plan, aside from the administrative charge this person is now facing, don't you plan to probably lodge additional complaint against that person because he caused some sort of malicious intrigue to your district and even to SDS and regional director? What is your take on this? What's your reaction?
together, sir, to answer your question, together with my fellow colleagues here, before going here, we are now preparing our response to the complaint that she has. So it might be an additional complaints against her, but the next move that we have is we will be drafting our response to support the allegations of the answer of our district head that the issue of Mr. Drio Martires is totally untrue.
Okay po, thank you.
I just would like to clear things once and for all. Please be informed that the division office has not identified Drea Martires as the same as Andreu Martires, ha? Baka mamimiss ko tayo na this is coming from the division office. I would like to repeat this once again. The division office has not stated or has not issued a statement na si Andrea or Martires Drea and Andreu Martires is one and the same person. Okay? Like I said kanina, we have not yet tawag dito, wala pa kaming ginagawa kasi we need to still verify the veracity of the information with regard to the person na bearing the name Drea Martires. Sabi ko nga kanina, we never have an employee in DepEd Northern Samar named as Martires Drea. That's for the record. Hence, I would like to repeat this again and again na hindi po in-identify ni DepEd Northern Samar na si Martires Drea at si Andreu Martires is one and the same person. Should we find something or kung talaga makikita namin na in the event mag-unfold na si Martires Drea at si Andreu Martires is one and the same, that remains to the wisdom of the division's superintendent kung ano yung maging move ng division office. Okay? Thank you.
Okay. Sir, in connection for that, your statement, although na hindi talaga ninyo pinupoint kung sino ang certain natag-post na to, but we heard na meron ng media practitioner from region in Tacloban ay nagkaroon na po ng interview for that person. So, wala pa bang naharating dito sa division office na makilala ninyo kung lumantad man siya from the other media outlet?
Sige. Recently, nakita ko na may nag-forward sa akin na may for interview siya. But unfortunately, until now, hindi ko pa nakita yung whole video. Siguro, mamaya, right after this or this afternoon, titingnan ko yung video. Pag should there be admission na si Martires Drea at si Andreu Martires is one and the same person, siguro, yun, sasabihin ko kay SDS na, sir, tukoy na po natin. If, and if, only if, si Drea Martires is the same as Andreu Martires, and we would like to acknowledge that we have one employee in the DepEd Northern Samar named Andreu Martires. But with regard to the post bearing the name of Martires Drea, we cannot say anything so far. So now, sige lang. Hindi ko pa nakita yung buong video, yung buong interview. Sa ngayon, I refrain to comment something possible.
Yes, sir. I don't know if you was here, pag-interview ko kay sir, na-identify niya as a bookkeeper or something like that. So, he identified that person.
I respect to his opinion. That is his opinion. But with respect to the
It's not
statement,
really his opinion, it's true.
yeah.
Nanamit niya. So,
Yes,
it's
sir.
not an opinion.
But with respect to the statement of the division office, I stand by my previous statement na we never recognize that Martires Drea and Andreu Martires is one and the same person until this press time.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Jumaiksi lang po dahil nadawin ang pangalan nyo, si Rizales talaga ang maraming concern. Tungkol sa kanya yung tag 1K.
Naka-off record? Naka-off na ka.